Hey guys, it's me, Xavier Gaming, and welcome to my very first IRL vlog. This is my first IRL vlog, like I said, because I want to try something different here on the main channel. But I think I'm only going to do it a few times on this channel. And for the most of the IRL vlogs, it will be on my second channel, which is Xavier 2, which you should check out, link in the description, because that's how I will post my IRL vlogs. I almost messed that up, but here's our room right here. Room is 2225 over there, yeah. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more vlogs, and let's go and get started with the room. So here it is, and it says still during the room, do not disturb. We enter in here. Oh, I forgot to show you this. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I like that. I like the design with the no smoking icon. So here we are. We enter in the room, and here we are. There's the evacuation plan. In case it isn't fire here. You can see here we got like a couple of like holders right here, which is really cool. We got a mirror right here. Hello everybody to the camera. And the thing I really like is there's like a holder here that you can hold on to it, so which is cool. Here we are, we have the microwave, got the coffee stuff down there, and we got the fridge right here. Okay, I didn't even bang on that, but this is the drinks that can hold our drinks, so cool on that. And close on that. And for some reason, there's like a insert card for power. Because if I remove this now, wait, that's it. Oh, okay then. So it looks like it's only for that one time. So yeah, I don't know why it's there, but we need to keep that inserted at all times. So this is sink right here. And the towels down there because we just got back from the beach. Here there's nothing, and just a reminder, if you guys want to check out my newer vlogs that I post around all over my trip, it will be posted like on the second channel, which I'll remind you again at the end of the video. So, continue on, we have the thermostat here, or the thermometer I would say, that can control the temperature. Right now it's 72, but I'm going to lower it to let's say 66, so we can keep the room cool, so we're gonna do that. Here we have the mirror right here. I really love that. Here we have the really cool couch. I like this blue table, by the way. I like this blue table. It's probably my personal favorite in this room so far. The blue table, which is similar to the one I have in the house, but in a different color. We have a lamp right here. We have these little cool posters on the wall. I don't know if you can see, but that's the cool posters on the wall. We have the AC right here. We got two different windows outside. Two different windows. And this is probably my favorite part of the room is this huge table right here. You can basically like fit in like everything. So that's why. But the thing that I discovered is there's like a secret like bin right here, or like a placeholder or something that can like hold anything. And for some reason there's like a book here. I don't know why, but someone left this book here for some reason, or it's part of the hotel. But I'm not gonna go through all of this because that was just too obvious, because since we're doing the hotel room tour. So we're gonna skip out on that. We have another poster right here, which in my opinion looks fire. That's the speaker, I guess, and that's the smoke detection system. And I don't know if you can see all the way up there. It says, do not hang items. This will cause fire from sprinkler. I don't know if you can read that, but we guys can read it. Here we have the two beds. I know it looks a mess right now, but here's the other window right here from the outside. You can see some people riding the little like thing, and people at the pool over now. You can see but they're at the pool right now, so cool. Here we have a desk here to keep everything occupied right now. So yeah, we have the garbage here. I have a little table right here, and finally we have the bathroom. Bathroom, it looks really cool. No, not that one. This one. There we go. Hello again, guys. In the middle again, in the bathroom. Hello, guys. Here we have the closet right here. Closet is really not bad. It's not bad. And we have another mirror here. Hello, once again. Hello, once again. We have the towels right here. We have the towels right here, which are really cool. I have another set of towels right here, and there's the sink. Wait, if we turn this on, it actually produces a lot of water, so cool on that. And the last part I told you is the shower, which it looks really not bad because it has a little like splish splash. I can't tell my phone, it's gonna be hard to see, but right now it's a splish splash. And we have the shower right here. Yep, exactly like that. So cool. We have that one. We have the shampoo, conditioner, and the shower gel. And we have another mirror right here, which looks fire, in my opinion. It looks really fire. So, and that's the toilet. Alright, guys. Well, thank you all for watching, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Let me know if you want me to do more room tours on the main channel, which you are watching right now. And like I said, guys, if you want to see my newer vlogs, then again, please go check out my second channel, Xavier 2, link in the description. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye, guys. And also, we're gonna be back posting videos next week, so that's why I've been gone for a while, because like I said, I've been spending a few days with my family. So don't worry, guys. I'm not away. I'm just like taking a break from YouTube content. So don't worry, guys. Like videos will resume again next week. So I just want to let you guys know. So before I end it here. So anyways, thank you all for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe for more IRL vlogs and Nintendo videos. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.